Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions because only an owner can remove members. Open Teams now and go straight to the team and channel you need. Once there, verify whether the channel is standard or private, since private channels restrict member lists. Make sure you're viewing the channel's members pane. If you lack owner rights, request them or ask an owner to proceed. Otherwise, you cannot remove people. Now open the channel settings to reveal member management controls and continue to the next step. You should now locate the member list using more options. Either on the channel or team header, choose Manage Channel or Manage Team and switch to Members. Once the list is visible, scan or search for the person by name or email to avoid mistakes. Click the three dots or remove link next to their name, confirm the prompt, and watch the interface remove them instantly. Make sure to explain to stakeholders why you removed them if required. Documentation helps avoid confusion. You finish by confirming the person no longer appears in Members and that they lose access to channel conversations and files. Once done, notify relevant team leads and update any access logs or tickets. If the user still sees the channel, make sure they aren't assigned via a security group, check Azure AD sync delays, and confirm their role wasn't regranted. If this is a private channel, verify membership with channel owners. As a troubleshooting tip, sign them out and clear cache to force client refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.